Today we're going to be looking at a MDI 2. Here's the part number right there. It is the Wi-Fi version. So when you open the box, you get the MDI cable, which is the one that gets the data link connected to your car. Here it is. Here's the part number. There's the name and everything. DLC. And there we got the USB A to USB B, 10 feet long. Here's the one you would use for like programming or connecting your MDI to the computer. And here's their other Ethernet cable, 14 feet long. And here's the MDI. And that's where you put in the USB type A. And right there too. Power on. And there's for your USB type A to USB system. This one right here. And your Ethernet cable. And in there you can, let me take it off. This comes off. There's your, for your Wi-Fi. That'll be it. And I believe that is like a memory stick, so you can download the software to your MDI 2. Which will be this right here. So here's some instructions. It says here Canada. Here's a US one, if you guys want to read it. So here's what I was looking for. Here's this right here if you guys want to see it. Here's what it comes with. Here's the part number. GM-MDI2 BL52100. Comes with the wireless adapter right there. It goes in there, and that's for downloading MDI software. Here's the cables that comes with. It does not come with that, sold separately. And then right here, MDI 2 software needs to be downloaded from here. Here you go if you guys need it. So I believe if I use my laptop, let's get it set up right here. So there's our MDI 2. We're gonna download the software right now. See how long it takes. If you're ever doing any programming with the MDI 2, I would not recommend using the wireless on it. I would do it with the cable. It's safer in case you lose connection with your router or something like that, it's safer to do it with a wire. What I would do with the wireless thing, I would use it for like checking codes or just stuff like that, checking data. And I believe if I don't need any power to it, I just need this plugged in. So we're gonna plug it in. So I plugged it in and that came on. So now, if you have MDI manager, we're gonna open that and it's gonna ask us MDI 1 or 2. So we're gonna click on the 2, open it up, click on that one and click recovery. Let me move you guys. So you guys probably didn't see it, so I'm gonna, oh, I clicked on there already. Can I close it so you guys can see it again? So I got MDI manager on my computer. It's gonna ask you MDI 1 or 2. Click on 2, okay. Click on that one, click recover, start update. So we click OK, and it's gonna start updating it. And this way it's gonna be, I don't know, I think it's gonna be faster than using the USB stick or whatever. If you don't have MDI manager on it, you won't be able to do it. You're gonna have to do this right here. So there you go, we're done. It didn't take that long, I guess. So the MDI will now restart. Wait until you hear a beep, then the MDI is ready for use. So click OK on that. We're going to wait on that. I think the beep was on the computer, or no, never mind. The MDI is, there it is. There it is. I think we're ready to use it. Okay, yeah, we're ready to use it. I believe it has an internal battery. I'm gonna have to read up on that one, because I'm sure if I unplug it, no, maybe not. Let me plug it back in and see what happens. So, and it should pop up in there. And then we're gonna open up TechLine Connect. Yep, it should be right there. And then open TechLine Connect. So now we can put this on, which is this right here. You just put it on like that and then screw them in. Okay, that should be on. And I'm gonna cut for now and go set it up on the car and show you guys how it works. So I'm gonna plug in the DLC now, or the connector to the DLC. Plug it in. And it's probably not gonna turn on its own because I shut it off. So I'm gonna turn it on. Maybe. There you go. So now that it turned green, I'm gonna go over here. I want to close this down, open tech line. It's gonna check for updates and everything. Takes a little bit to load up. So now I'm just gonna click on standalone mode for now, right there. Go into diagnostics, and then it's gonna tell you no MDI detected. So you're gonna go into change device and then put a check mark on the MDI2, hit continue, and then your MDI is gonna start blinking like that. And as you can see, we're connected now. So we're gonna go to the left side, a little bit bright, I don't know if you guys can see that, but GDS2 right there on the left side. We got our, there you go, we got our truck in there. I read the VIN and everything. So now we're in. And we just gotta wait for it to load up. Ever since GM went to TechLine Connect, it's been really slow. So we wait. Here you go. From here, we can either go to module diagnostics or vehicle DTCs or diagnostics. If we go here and click vehicle DTCs, you're supposed to pull up the RPO codes on its own, but for some reason it's not. We got a 6.2 with a 10 speed, which I don't even know which one it is. For a 10 speed, it'd be one of these. I'm just gonna click one for now. And whenever you do this, it's gonna, I'm gonna click that one. Whenever you do this, it's gonna pull up all your DTCs. That one I don't know either. Okay. So right here. So that's all the DTCs that we have for all the modules. If you go back over here, module diagnostics, you can go to every single module, check for codes and data and everything. So use for ones, which you can check on data, and then you can check all the data. And that's the MDI2. I guess I could do another video if you guys want to see more stuff that you can do with the MDI, like programming and stuff. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching.